chicos, ¿qué paso? Esta soy Perly. ¿Qué paso? ¿Qué paso? ¿Qué paso? ¿Qué paso? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome 2026! Whoa! So as you can tell, I am having my Spanish obsession again. I just rewatched Culpa Mia and I watched the whole trilogy of the Culpables. Am I pronouncing that right? And my obsession of wanting to be multilingual and learning Spanish is coming back. So today, just like last year, we are going to check in at Discovery Suites with my mom's friends. I don't know if I will be able to vlog there a lot because when I'm around them, I'm like, opo. Ganun ako. So this is my fit. Usually I wear this dress like this, but it's short. If I raise my hands up, you can actually see my butt. So I'll wear this denim black short of my mom. Look at how huge this is. I'm gonna give you guys a little what's in my bag haul before we leave. The first thing is going to be this fan. My Jisoo Life fan broke. This is my alternative. Next is, of course, my power bank. Guys, regaluhan nyo na ako ng bagong power bank, please lang. Kasi pasira na to, oh. Next, my charger, comb, earphones, scrunchie, this perfume. I'm gonna spray it. How do you spray your perfume? I don't know if I like this smell or I'm just using it because it's a gift to me. Then the last two things in my bag are these. This one is a Katinko roller. I'm not a very amoy type of girly, but since this is a gift from Tita Tel, I'm gonna use it. In fact, I haven't even rolled this yet. Just smelling it. It smells nice. Smells nice. Then this is alcohol. I like this alcohol. It's very compact. It fits anywhere. Fits in your pocket. I like these types of stuff.
Kenkay ka talaga, anak. Ano?
I'm gonna eat.
Tara, kenkay! You know that? Kenkay. Oh, ang ganda. Oh, umuusok pa yan.
Gonna eat breakfast. Pansit bukas, ngayon, at magpakailanman.
Ano? Bukas ngayon?
Magpakailanman.
Okay, no?
Bye-bye! So, we're walking right now. Our rabbits are already here. Oh my God, sabat dyan ko. Hindi ko pa minumuya yung pansit. Nalunok ko na kasi gusto ko na makainom ng tubig. Andito ba yung tubig? It's still in my esophagus. Making use of this while we're at the Grab. Look guys, ang haba ng buhok. Oh my God, plus my skin is so dry. Ayan, inuubo siya and we've arrived. Ganito rin last year yung setup nila eh. Ayan pa rin. See? Yeah. We're just waiting for the others. So they're checking in right now. Kasi ganito ribbon guys. It's velvet. It's cool. Crazy. So saan tayo pupunta? Ikot na tayo. Where? Okay.
Basta tandaan mo for na.
So, I don't know what we're doing.
Yan din, pag-usapa ko magkano.
Yeah, wala naman talaga. Basta small gift. My colors are yellow. Oh my God, no. So my colors are yellow, green, and blue. What are your colors? Brown, gold, and fuchsia. Ano gawin kasi namin? Alam niyo yung trend na mahuhulog yung ayos tapos kukuha? Ganon. Tigta-tatlong colors kami. Bro, I don't know. Anong gagawin ko? Si Tita Timmy, nakita ka. Sabi ko na nga, andito sila. Beige, light blue, peach. Oh, pwede na yung tita. Yung mga kailangan ko. Kailangan ako ng charger. Bigyan niyo na ako ng charger, please lang. Usapan maghanap ng exchange gift. Ako na naghanap ng shades. Hi! Zoom. Hi, I'm Kendall Jenner. Guys, bigyan niyo na ako ng bagong keyboard din, please. I need bagong everything. I think this counts, right? As green. We have green here. But I really want the pimple patch, but it doesn't have a price, so I fear that it's super expensive. Those pore strips. I need this for myself though. I got a green thing, wipes, and then this is for my underarm. And then this is mom. So all I need is yellow and blue now. My mom is done with her. She already found the gold one. And right now we're at the supermarket. I don't know. Everything is just so expensive and out of my budget. So fast everything is something useful. This is something useful. And it's dark blue. Okay na to. Okay na to. I'll get this. Thank you. All I need is yellow now. Strepsils! Yes! Oh my gosh, I'm good. Yeah, there's my mom. I'm good too. Good thing they have a DO here. Pinalinis ko na yung glasses. You guys think it's similar sa frame ko ngayon? I know for a fact na yung ganitong frame hindi bagay sa akin. Oh, really? Wait. Baka hindi lang talaga ako sanay dati na manipis yung frame ko. This one's small. Parang hindi naman bagay sa akin lahat. I miss my red glasses. I like black. This looks interesting. Damn. This looks weird. And I think I like it. So, ganito yung alam kong hindi bagay sa akin. Tignan natin. Diba? Wait, bakit ngayon parang feel ko lahat bagay sa akin? Oh my God, I'm so maganda talaga. So feeling. Gusto ko guys, so, diba ganyan? Oh, diba? Parang habang nagsaswan ako from here, ganyan na lang. Kasi nabaweirdan ako. Parang hindi bagay sa akin yung ganyan. Pero hindi lang ako sanay. Ito, another version. Feel ko ngayon, nung nasanay na akong manipis yung salamin ko, feel ko naging bagay na siya. Pero, I don't like silver. I want gold. Ang tagal ang tagal ng salamin ko. Parang mga 15 minutes ako dito nag-iipa. Ang tagal. Yung tugtog ngayon, Yummy by Justin Bieber. Tapos naisip ko kasi, recently, sinayaw namin to sa school, sa Arellano. Thank you! Sinayaw namin sa Arellano, sa classroom. Tapos naisip ko, bakit ba parang sobrang nostalgic ng feeling na parang meron akong inside joke doon. Tapos naalala ko, oo nga pala, kasi yung crush ng kaibigan ko dati, sinayaw rin yung Yummy sa school nung high school ako. Highest, I miss grade 10, grade 9 days. We're buying our for dinner. Ay, ano, pwede ko pala yung pang green. Ay, naku. We ate lunch already. I ate crepe or crepe. Ang hirap pala muyain ng ganun. Kakahiwain. My mom and her friend. And Julia. There. And there's me in charge of the cart. Subway. Tita Ernie's getting food for herself. Talagang pinapanindigan ko tong pagbigay sa akin Tita Tel ng inhaler / ka-take order na. Kahit makuntimang nalagyan niya na okay lang. We're here. Same room din. Ay hindi. Not the same floor but same everything. Just as last year. Tapos tignan nyo. I believe last year mas mababa yung floor namin kasi ito wala to last year. Hindi kayo nakikita. Oh, look, there's a Jollibee tower. That's so cool. This is so nice. Oo, mas mababa kami last time. Siguro 12th floor kami last time. Tapos, ang ganda talaga ng banyo nito. Connecting with the other room. But it has a blower. There's me. The shower. The room is definitely newer than the room that we stayed at last year because it has this wireless thing. So from last year, it's basically the same room. And then here, our TV over here, it's newer compared to last year. Last year is like old.
Ang mari ang dam. So this is just a presentation
Ano yan?
ng scheduler. Kayong dalawa, lagi meron kayong parang small business. So yan, okay?
Thank you.
Here. Okay. So, isusulat nyo yung sagot. Right? If it's the same, walang nanalo, the money goes into the pot. So, 20 pesos, pero kapag pareho kayo ng sagot, parehong tama, parehong mali, the money goes in the pot. At syempre, yung sapat na yung dumadami. Dapat talaga, kapag nanalo kayo, kukuhanin niyo hanggang sa. What profession does the cartoon character Tintin have? Oh, yun, that's the point. Oo. Feeling ko, yung mga bata na yan, alam nila yan dahil tayo na din. What profession does the cartoon character have?
You're the only...
Manghula.
Clue.
That's the clue.
Ano?
May sinabi mo. What profession? That's the clue. That's the report. Ay! Sorry, nasabi ko na. Ano dapat sasabihin nyo? It's reporter, right? No, tama. Sorry, okay. Kasi ito si In what year did the Berlin Wall fall? So, 1987. Kaya dear? 1997. The answer is 1989. Malayo. Okay, next.
Ayan guys, ipa-fast forward ko na lang kasi ang sakit mapanood yung sarili ko na wala akong masagot. Alam niyo yun? Kasi, wala akong masagot eh. Mali yung mga nasa utak ko. Pero sila tama ang mga sagot nila. Kaya yun, tanggap ka naman na okay lang.
Approximately, ilan ang populasyon ng China? Approximately, what is the population of China?
Tinulungan dito!
Basta mga Adrian Rivera, kayang-kaya ni ano yan.
Dapat magkukumpit na lang kami sa isa't
Yes or no question. Is it possible to whiten your teeth by smiling in the sun for a long time? Okay. 3, 2, 1. The answer is no. Pareho kayong tama. So the money goes in the pot. Okay, we have 100 pesos na. Alright.
Holy guys! So, ito yung nangyari. So, Tita Ernie gave me this as a Christmas gift. Ito yung napanalunan namin. 50, 100, 120. Hindi ko nasagot yung Limbics. Ang pera lang namin ay 170. At thank you Lord sa kanta na You turn my Limbics into a bouquet. Ikaw ay tila sining sa museyong di na luma. Kasi naisip ko yung Limbics. Yung tanong kasi parang what system or part of your brain yung nagko-control ng emotion. So sabi ko, hindi siya cerebellum, hindi siya cerebellum. I said Limbics. Grabe, Tita Tini and Julia had like 1,660. Tapos I'm saying ako, because my mom was just laying there. I got 270. So, talagang sinampal ako ng kabubuhan kanina. Kasi lahat ng mga tanong, pinasasagot sila. Tapos ako, I was like, opo, oo. Talagang dito natin makikita na wala sa grades yung katalinuhan eh. Talagang bobo lang talaga ako. Bobo talaga. Ngayon kasi mag-exchange gift na kami. So, lalabas na rin ako any moment now. Kasi ito yung bigay sa amin dito, Ernie. This is like a to-do list thing. Here are the refills. And then this notebook. And then from Tita Tini, of course, from Cookie Crew, crinkles, the best crinkles here in the Philippines. We have brownies, red velvet crinkles with some, I don't know what's the filling, and crinkles. You know what I love about our room is this huge window exists. And all the other rooms, since it's a corner unit, all the other rooms are front of another building. Here's the thing. Every time I enter, of course, I do this. And then I see myself. I feel like someone else is there just because of this window, which is low-key scary. So I'm here now, chilling in my bed. Ano kaya ginagawa nila sa Jollibee Tower, no? Ano kaya feeling ng mga nakatira sa Amerika, no? Tapos ganito yung, nila, setup nila. Nasa condo or apartment. Tapos, gaganda, daming buildings. Anyways, I'm just here. I'm contemplating about life. Hindi ako nakapagdala ng libro para basahin. Last year kasi, dala ko yung laptop ko dahil may classes na ako ng January 2. This year, hindi ko dala yung laptop ko, phone ko lang. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll just stay here for a while. By the way, the weather is not that nice. Maambon.
Asa ka talikod, ha? Ay, ko lang ako pa. Sorry ko lang ako pa. Sorry. Okay ka lang? Hindi, shoulder ko pa yun. Ay, hirap ko.
3, 2, 1, go!
Ano to siya? Hindi ko alam kung naaawag ko yun, ha, anak ko.
1, 2, 3, go! Go!
Okay. 2, 3, go!
Get set, go! Yay! Conditioner! 1, 2, 3, go!
Ang layo mo. Hindi ko kaya yan, ang layo.
Okay. 1, 2,
Walang yakan siya. Ang galing. Okay.
Julia, kung ako sa'yo, giveaway na kasi.
Ibigay mo na lang tayong punyeta ka na, anak.
Sama na kayo ng light. Hindi na taga pala pangalawan natin.
Okay.
1.
1, 2, 3, go!
Oh, wow. Kailangan nga ito.
Yan ko?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Nine din ako.
7 ako.
8, 9, 10,
11! Ikaw, Julia?
I got
8.
8.
Grabe! Ikaw pa!
1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Oo nga, no?
11.
Oo.
Wow! We're going to eat in a few. I'm so excited to eat. Chicken dishes. Alright guys, so Tito Ernie left because our things that he has to do at home, and this is his room. I'm thinking of sleeping here tonight. Like, it's the first time. It's the first time to be sleeping alone. In our room! Wait, I'm in cinematic mode. But I bet my mom won't allow it, so... I don't know. I really don't know. Guys, it's so cold at our room right now. Look at the freaking temperature. My mom set it to 16 degrees Celsius and currently it's 19 degrees. I'm gonna put it up to 20. I can't with this temperature. So, I got this from our exchange gift earlier. I'm gonna open it now. Sa tingin ko parang ano to, katulad ng ginagawa sa akin ni Ate Angie. It doesn't smell like oranges. They said I should wash my face with warm water so my pores will open up. So that's what I'll do now. Are my pores open enough? I don't know. I think I placed it a little bit too high. Ate Angie puts one on me, it usually reaches until here. Since I forgot to bring everything and anything here, I'm gonna use this moisturizer as lotion. I know that it's a moisturizer for a reason, but yeah, it's basically lotion. I'm like literally watching American TV news right now just because I didn't bring anything to entertain myself. I'm going to eat one of these crinkles. I have a whole pack over there, but I'm gonna eat this. It has been more than or less than 15 minutes. Time for me to remove this thing. I wanna cry, it hurts. I removed it and I also tried to remove that but failed miserably. And while in the process of removing this, I might have cried a few tears. I've washed my face with cold water just like my friends told me to do. I don't know what to do next. This is what Julia and I made earlier. Instead of Graham, we used Marie biscuit. And guys, dude, this tastes good. Ang dami ng kain, matamis yun. Ma, pwede naman sa kwarto yung Tita Ernie matulog mo. Tulog tayo? Yeah. Yay! Ewan ko ba, pero I've been sleeping in my own bed for a while now, but this is my first time sleeping alone in a room. Okay, we're gonna jump in that bed, okay? We're gonna jump in that bed. I don't know why I'm so excited. I'm gonna jump in that bed, okay? 3, 2, 1. Wait, I just realized. Onting taas pa ng talad ko. Mamutog na ako dito. Alam nyo, para matigil na tong kakakain ko, magtututbrush na ako. Kasi alam ko na hindi ako titigil sa kakain hanggat hindi pa ako tututbrush. Oh! They're toothbrush. The bristles are soft. I feel like last year the bristles are hard, but this year it's soft. One thing na napansin kong wala dito na nandun sa room namin last year, yung clock. Naaalala ko ba yun? May clock na luma dyan. Parang alarm clock pa nga ata yun eh. Hindi ko alam. Pero meron dito. Ngayon wala. Tapos na-realize ko ito, parang emergency light siya. In case na mag-brown out or siguro masira yung generator nila. Kasi this isn't connected, I assume, to any energy source. Kasi kanina nandun ako sa room ko. Nag-explore ako. Tapos, napansin ko na ito, walang nakakonect sa kanya. But this is connected to the wall. So, ito, pag in-on ko siya, oh! But the other one turns on. And, I assume na kaya meron ganito, para kapag nag-fail yung mga yun, plus yung ilaw, may backup. So tomorrow, I'm probably gonna wake up at around 8:20, 8:15. I'm still gonna scroll through my phone, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Buenos dias! Nakaka-visit. My mom woke me up at 8. Sabi ko, ako nagising mag-isa ng 8:30. Sabi susunod ka lang. Sabi ko, oo. Tapos kinising niya naman ako ng 8:20. Nakakaasar. So we changed because apparently bawal yung pagtulog chairs have improved.
Oh, this is what I have. I'm gonna get, I don't know if I'm gonna get a waffle or a pancake. I'm at the Filipino station. But I'm not gonna get anything. I'm back here in my room. I feel so weird saying my room. Ewan ko, feeling ko parang bahay ko na to. Parang timang. So sad na hindi ko to bahay. Guys, I just have to say, weighted blankets are the best. Parang, I feel so good. These pillows rin, yung mga pillows. Gusto ko yung ganito kasi pag hinigaan mo, hindi siya nakakalula. Perfect.
So it's 11:20 something. I'm gonna brush my teeth for the last time here. It was nice living in this hotel room for almost 22 hours. I like wearing a bathrobe. It's comfortable. So I'm dressed. Sadly, I'm dressed. So I'm just going to film a couple of TikToks and I'm gonna go outside. So we're checking out already. Very sad. We're going home. That's nice. And just like that, we're home. We're literally back home. That is it for this vlog, guys. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And remember, 2026, you don't know what's coming. We're coming. We're coming.